Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. Easy for me to say. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel because I do lots of makeup unboxings, beauty box unboxings, makeup first impressions, tutorials, a myriad of things happen here, and there's a lot of great things in the future, some collabs and things like that planned, so look forward to that. So please ring the bell so you get all the notifications, and I do go live at least once a week, sometimes multiple times, so those are always a good time, so you don't want to miss out on that. But today we're going to be doing a look with the Give Me Glow. It's so heavy, I can barely hold it because it's so luxurious. It is actually very heavy for an eyeshadow palette, and it is luxurious, and it's from Give Me Glow. It is the Vivid Rose palette. It is the most recent palette from Give Me Glow. It launched on November 27th, which was Black Friday, and it took me until just a couple days ago to get this in the mail. It took forever, but it's gorgeous packaging, front and back. And then look at this palette. It is a stunner. And these pans, look how big they are. Look next to they're huge. They're absolutely huge. This is a $45 palette. And we're gonna do swatches, and we're gonna get it going and get this glowing. That's somebody else's old channel, but I'm just knocking things over and being demure because that's what I do. Demure is not really a word that's used to describe me often. So let's just get some swatches. And so there are five, there's 5 in each row, mattes and shimmers and metallics. And I have not swatched all these colors at once. I've swatched a couple of the colors, but I'm excited to see how they swatch, because that'll give me inspiration for how to do my look. And those are not the most stylish swatches, but they do show that there's quite a bit of pigment there. And we love pigment. We love it. And I'm going to be clipping these bangs out of my face in just a second. So let's do the second row of swatches. Hot Pink. And it is just a gorgeous palette. And I'm gonna try to do a simple look. My looks usually involve many colors. I'm a very colorful person who loves to wear black. If that makes any sense to you. It does to me. Black like my soul. My fingers are damp from the towelette. I just wiped my fingertips off. So let's get my bangs out of the way. And let's start with He Loves Me. This beautiful beigey taupey kind of rose color, like a dusty rose. I just keep knocking things over. I have so much stuff on my table. It's insane. It's insane. But this is a great crease color. All the way in there. So lovely. And that is a great start. And that was called He Loves Me. And then the next color that I'm going to go into is Pop of Pink right here. Ooh, super pigmented. Little kick up in the pan. And that looks great. I'm just doing a pop of color on the outside of the eye. And it's blending in with the other eyeshadow very nicely. Shows up great on the brush. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful shimmer. That is lovely. Let's and I always forget to do this. I'm so silly. I got a little bit of color underneath there. We'll fix that up in just a jiff. Just a jiff. Putting a little foundation on it. But I need to go under the brow bone with a light color, and so I'm going to go with Pink Rose, a shimmer on a fluffy brush. Louie, get down, Louie. Louie likes to get up here and get in the middle of things, which I don't blame him. It's very exciting on the table. There's always something happening. And that is just beautiful. You can see that shine. But I think the next thing I'm going to do is put another shimmer on the inner part of my eyelid with my fingertip. And that was called Pink Rose that I just put under my brow. I'm going to put Pedal to the Metal with my fingertip. Oh, that is beautiful. Now I do need to put a little darker color in the crease. So I'm going to get a brush with a lot of control. There's a little kick up in the pan, but not bad. And I'm trying to decide between Flower Power, which is right here, or He Loves Me Not, right here. I think I'm going to, let me see if I can blend that just right there with this clean brush. That looks a little better. But I'm going to go into He Loves Me Not. It's really hard to choose. They're such great colors. But I will play with it and fix it. I just need a good blender brush, that is. I'm going to go in a little bit of He Loves Me and soften the edges a little. We need to blend the hell out of this look. It's looking a little crazy. Where's my angled blender? My favorite blending brush of all time seems to be missing. So I will use this one. And that is working great. And this is just a Luxie blending brush. Just softening everything right on up. This is kind of a messy look, but I think it's still good. A little bit of Guns N' Roses. Kind of temper that He Loves Me Not. My eyes are always sisters, they're never twins or cousins or something. But that looks really beautiful. I'm very happy with this. So we're going to do some eyeliner. And we're going to use the Asteria eyeliner from Star Gem Cosmetics, a nice indie brand. And it's a nice dark black. makes a great line. And my left eye is always more difficult than my right eye. And I just love a big black eyeliner to just kind of pull the look together. And we're going to use a little sample size of IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Oh, it's such a tiny little brush, but I love this mascara. And I did double dip to get the wand nice and coated. Ooh, that's super pretty. And the more I use this mascara, the longer my lashes get. Oh, it looks so great. So beautiful and warm and inviting. What kind of lip shall we use? It's so pretty. I think we will use, no. I'm looking through what I have. I have many colors. It's so hard to choose. I'm going to go with this, which is Maybelline Super Matte Ink in number 15 Lover. And these are about 10 bucks at CVS. Oh yeah. And there we go. A beautiful Vivid Rose look with the Vivid Rose palette from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and I feel totally beautiful and glamorous. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this video.